Are you trying to become a Salesforce developer? Are you just starting out and you're having difficulty with the constructors, how you declare a new list, a for loop, if statement, for statement? A lot of these things require specific constructors, and little mistakes are bogging you down. I'd like to share with you a little trick for getting it right. It involves IntelliJ development environment and the Illuminated Cloud plugin for it. I discovered it about a month ago, have been loving it since. Had I known these LiveTemplates, these shortcuts, when I was just starting out, my life would have been much easier starting out as a Salesforce developer. That's why I'm creating this video, so that your journey to become a Salesforce developer is on a fast track. The use of the shortcuts for Salesforce development, I will be using IntelliJ IDE. It's from JetBrains. You can download a community version of it for free right here. So go ahead and download that, and then once you download it, get the Illuminated Cloud plugin for it. I've been using it for a couple of months. I love it, and there are a lot of things I'm learning about it. It's customized for Salesforce development. There are very good videos that you can watch to learn how to use Illuminated Cloud. And there is one thing I discovered in Illuminated Cloud that I would love to share with you, and that's LiveTemplates. Basically, LiveTemplates can be used to insert frequently used constructs into your code. For example, loops, conditions, declarations, print statements, etc. And here's an example of it. So if you type in PSVMEM, it becomes public static void method. If you type in for, it becomes a for loop. And there are here a few more abbreviations. So these are abbreviations for IntelliJ in general. But Illuminated Cloud has created Salesforce specific LiveTemplates. LiveTemplates most likely to be used in Salesforce. And there are about, I think, 30-40 of them. For example, here's a for loop with index, if statement, if else statement, if null, create a new list, etc. And if these are insufficient for you, you can go ahead and create your own. And you'll see that creating LiveTemplates right here is more information about it here. But let's use the ones we got here. It's a very good list. I've taken this whole list, distilled it into about 20 that I feel are most useful, most essential. And I'd like to show you how you can use them and fast track your Salesforce development career. So I got a class here called LiveTemplates. Let's create a new list. So here's my template. Let's create a new list. I put in NL, see the text, NL, and then click tab. Bang. And it's asking what a list of which object? Opportunity. Bam. And it's suggesting even a name. If you create a list of opportunities, if you create a list of opportunity type, why don't we call it opportunities? I say yes. Done. I got a list of opportunities. Same with the set. NS tab, set of what? I'd like to create a set of, say, accounts. And I click tab, it makes it account. Accounts, bang, done. Alright, we can do the same with new map of, say, contacts. Okay, etc. So here we got the new map, set, list, How about a for statement? So here I got a method. Let's create a for statement inside it. For. So now I have to declare the object. Let's say opportunity ABC within opportunities, and here is some code. Okay, all right, let's go to the next if statement. Let's say if see it auto-filled. Watch again. If tab easy. Okay, let's go if else. I put an if else. Okay, and I can just go in and say if opportunities is equal to null. Some code else some code, some other code. Okay, so see, this is really useful, right? You don't have to remember the exact construct. As long as you know what you want and you remember this shortcut, you can create the construct. PSF, public static final, and you can even have other ones. Okay, PSF. You put integer ABC. Okay, PSFS, public static final string. Bang. Text. It's very useful. I find this is fascinating. Okay, let's do some assert statements. SA. Bang. System assert. ABC equals 10. Alright. You can even do system assert equals SAE. Bam. This is awesome. Same with, okay, this is another one you'll be using a ton as a Salesforce Developer, SD, system debug. Okay, you don't have to type it system.debug here, just put an SD, system.debug ABC. Okay, this is also awesome. Circle query, just put in opportunities. Okay, we can say opportunities equals SEL. There we go. See, ID from opportunity. Goes fast, right? You can do the same here. Look at it again. Accounts SEL, and say you don't want a specific field, but you want all the fields. So you scroll down using the keyboard and click tab. It'll select all the fields on the account object. Here we choose the account. See, it selected all the fields on the account object. This is awesome. Here you put, close it. Okay, what's the issue? Illegal assignment from list to set. Okay, so this is saying this is a list and this account is a set. Okay, let's make it a list. Same here. List. Okay, that's it. Red is gone. Instead of typing out string, just put an st. Bang. String. Some text. This is fantastic. Let's do try catch TC. Catch exception. Try. What's the method? We started here. Some method. Okay, let's try some method. Okay. WH while say opportunities some code. Alright, so here I showed you how you can use LiveTemplates to jumpstart your coding. One of the biggest difficulties in coding is just remembering how do you construct a new list, system debug, and assert. All these little things bog you down, and you have to go online and look for them, for the examples. But there is a much faster way, and that's using LiveTemplates. So go ahead right now, download IntelliJ, download Illuminated Cloud, and just play around. Use these constructs, use these shortcuts, create a SOQL query, create a debug log, create a system to debug message, etc. This is fantastic. Good luck coding. If you have any questions or suggestions of other ideas of how people can jumpstart their coding careers, leave a comment.